Introducing Saskatoon Industry-Education Council's EmployABILITY Skills for Your Future program. EmployABILITY helps students develop skills to stand out to potential employers through group workshops, one-on-one support, and online resources. Students learn to build and refine effective resumes, prepare for a successful job interview, and develop networking ability and soft skill awareness. One-on-one student support is offered throughout the year, and teachers can request job search preparation workshops. Parents accessing EmployABILITY will find career-focused discussion topics and resources for young job seekers, and teachers can access career-based content for all students, especially in English language arts, career education, and other practical applied arts courses. Help your students begin a successful career journey with EmployABILITY. And visit www.saskatooniec.ca for more information.